Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to upload a longer video on Facebook story or Instagram story. Usually with this social media, if you want to upload a story, it is very short, about like 20 seconds, and if you have longer video, it is hard to split into many different parts. To split the video easily, you need to download the app here. It is called Cut Video for Upload Story, where you can cut, you can set the duration and the social media that you want to upload. And now let me show you how it works. All you have to do is just go ahead and open the video, and then you need to select the video from your camera roll, and have a video about 3.5 minutes. So I can go ahead and select on it, and then I can click on choose. Just wait a few seconds. And now you need to set the duration for the video that you want to split. Let's say I want to be under about 15 seconds or 16 seconds, because on Facebook story you cannot upload a video that longer than 20 seconds, and the video that will be split is around 13 videos. So now let me go ahead and click on splitting a video right there. Now it is finished very fast, and if I go back into my camera roll, you can see the video has been split, and you can see it is all 16 seconds, and you can upload one by one from the first to the last, and it is very easy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.